This is a video on similar triangles. We'll start with this definition. Two triangles are similar if, and one of the following has to hold true. The measures of corresponding angles are congruent, so meaning corresponding angles have the same measures, or the ratio of corresponding sides are all in the same proportion. We'll talk more about the second rule of why they're similar. So given similar triangles ABC and DEF below, so they're telling us that the triangles are similar. That's going to allow these ratios to hold true. Then the following ratios between the sides hold true. Side AB here corresponds to side DE, so we write AB over DE is equal to, it should have the same proportions as side BC compared to side EF, which should have the same proportions as side AC compared to side DF. We're going to use these to help us solve for a missing side in a similar triangle. So for example, given the similar triangles below, we have this first triangle that has a side 18 and a side 14, and then this triangle is similar to it that has a side 9 and a side X. And they want us to find the length of the missing side X. We do this by setting up proportions. So just taking a look at how these sides correspond to each other, side 14 in this first triangle corresponds with side X in the second triangle. So we're going to write 14 over X should be equal to, and then since we started with this triangle, let's start with the same triangle down here, is equal to 18 as it corresponds to 9. So 18 over 9. Now once we've done this, we have a fraction equal to a fraction, you have a fraction equal to a fraction. To solve, you cross multiply. So going up this cross, we're going to have 18x is equal to, going down this cross, you have 14 times 9, which is 126. And then now you're ready to solve. So we're going to divide both sides by 18. Divide this side by 18 as well. And we're going to end up with x is equal to, and this comes out to be 7. 126 divided by 18 gives us 7. Here's an example for you to try on your own.